that this tent sleeps 4 people. I'm only one person. I'm mad that I don't have my cot, but I can't. Whew. It feels so good out here. And I have my power station just in case I have to charge a fan or 2 or whatever. It feels so good. Like so good. And the birds are still chirping. Where they go to sleep? Because they're going to be doing this at night. Oh gosh, it's fine. I usually go to sleep listening to rain sounds, so the birds should be fine. Cooper he don't look stressed at all. I'm not stressed. It's so calming out here. Keep seeing people walk by. So, you know, they're taking their dog out or whatever. It did stop raining. It was just a sprinkle, child. It was just a sprinkle. I have my wine here. I believe it's a Merlot. I had a Meritage from Caramore at home. Cheers. No bugs. You seen I sprayed the tent and this thing is working. I hear it's working. And I have this on shadow of a bug on the tent, and he was crawling on it and then he just fell off. So that stuff does work. I don't have to worry about taking no bugs home with me because the tent is treated. Like I said, I'm gonna read my book here and pick y'all back up when it gets like really, really dark, and let's just see if I'm still like feeling safe. Like, I don't know what that's gonna look like when it gets like dark. I'll probably call a friend. For the restroom. So that's my tent right over there. If you can see it, can you see it? That's my tent right there. So this is how I can see the people, and this is the way to go to the bathroom. I actually could cut through. I can cut through. It's cute. I figure I'll come out and go to the real bathroom before I call it a night. It's just a short, wow. I'm going to stay here again because here's the comfort house right here. This is, I can actually hear the fans from the comfort house from my tent. What time is it? Oh, great. 8:14. It's 8:14. Ooh, child. What is going on with your hair? What's going on with your headband? You don't have to look like that. What the hell? Okay, wait. Did I do it right? I don't know. There ain't nobody out here. I'm not coming out my tent. Once nightfall. There's only this walkway that's separating me and my campsite, and there's not another camper on the side of me. Loop A, and Loop A is the loop that allows dogs. Where are you going, Cooper? Oh, it's a bunny. Oh my God. He's trying to get at the bunny. He's gone, buddy. Come on, you can't get the bunny. That was cute. I didn't get it on camera because he was pulling me. It had a bushy cottontail and everything. Oh, it's so cute. That's a nice site too down there. That's site 43. Where they put the RVs at, they like all on top of each other and stuff. That ain't cool. 41 is a nice one too. It's down in the cut, and this one's nice too. 45 is like down in the cut. You get all of this. That's a nice big spot. This site is not so big. 45, A45 is a good one. That's a nice one. So I wouldn't pick this one again. I want 45. I want 45A. So this is what mine look like. It's nice, but that's on a that's flatter over there. This one's on like kind of like a hill. It's not bothering me or anything, but I just noticed that. It's still a good site. He likes exploring. Look at him. You have to keep your dogs on the leash here. I'm okay with it. Like, that's wooded back there. Like, let me show you. Anything back here? It's all rocky and stuff right back there. See, these are rocks. And that's where the fire pit is. What? No, but I walk. Yes. What you doing? I just took Cooper for a walk. Okay, did you meet people? No, ain't nobody out here. I mean, okay, I'm ready for bed, but I'm not going to bed. It's only 9 o'clock. But it just started to rain, drizzle, if you can hear. So I was in the dollar store, and I love the licorice, but they come in flavors. I normally get the regular, which is strawberry. So they had these two. So I've never had lemonade or green apple. I think they come in blueberry, strawberry, cherry, cinnamon, like a spiced cinnamon. And I just seen these, so we're going to try these. Let's try the lemonade first. It look like this. That's good. Oh, these going to be dangerous. These are plant-based licorice. They're naturally delicious. That's what it says. And 3 pieces is 80 calories. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay, let's taste the green apple. I need to wet my palate. Man, I wish I had my cot. I forgot the cot. I think I mentioned that like 4 times. And a pillow. So I have a towel that I rolled up and just put in my pillowcase. So you gotta make do. One thing about me, I am resourceful. Very. I'm gonna figure it out because I have to. Oh, it's nice and cold too. The green apple. Oh, it smells like green apple too. I don't really like green apple, but it was there. It's good. You know what it tastes like? One of those apple martinis without the liquor, of course. That's pretty good. I think I like the green apple better than I like the lemonade. That was good. That was pretty good. That's going to be dangerous. Now, 3 of these is 90 calories, but 3 of these is 80. That's for all you calorie counting girlies out there, because I'm camping. Everything goes in a Ziploc bag, period. This is so nice. My cousin got me this for Christmas. It's a Stanley. I think it holds a bottle of, a standard bottle of wine. This top part comes off. I put it on there tight. So it's easy to fill the bottle. And you just pour it from here. So it came as a set. So it was 2 cups in the carafe. I didn't fill it all the way up because I knew I was going to drink. This thing must be really working overtime. This thing and what I sprayed the tent with, not one bug. I was wearing this. I just don't even think I need it. I didn't get bit. I did nothing. Absolutely nothing. Get it? It works. So I'm going to finish reading my book. I could edit a video or 2, but I don't want to. I want to read my book. You know how a book gets to a good part? Yeah, that's it. It's at the good part. So I'm going to continue to read my book. I got my fan on up there, one of my lights up there. I got one of the lights charging over here just in case. And I put this little light here. Just added extra light. So that'll be added extra reading light for me. So if nothing happens, which I don't think anything gonna be happening, we about to go take it down there. Finish, like I said, I'm gonna finish reading my book, listen to the sounds of the rain hitting my tent. There must be some water nearby because I feel like I hear water rushing, but maybe that's just the rain hitting the trees too. So I don't know. I didn't go far. I didn't walk far, and I did do the immediate surrounding campsites around me, but that was it. So I'm in my tent. I have received at least 10 calls already. People checking up on me. I'm fine. I'm not scared at all. I hear a dog barking right now, but no, not scared at all. Where my door is, my chair is blocking the door, so I'm not scared. I'm never scared. The only thing I'm scared of is roaches. That's it. I don't do them. I don't do them at all. I'll pack this all up and go home. I'll leave it and go home. So, all right. I'm rambling at this point. Thank you for watching. I will see y'all in the morning if nothing else is going on. Bye. Good morning. Coming from the tent. Look at Cooper. He really likes it out here. Yeah, he had no problems out of him at all. It rained all night. I kept looking at my weather on my app, and it never said that it was supposed to rain like all night. Even when it was raining, it said it was like clear and cloudy skies. No, like it wasn't drizzling. It was raining. Like, look at my chair. It's soaked. It's a puddle in my chair. But all in all, it was a successful night. I am definitely a camper now because I really didn't have any hiccups at all, other than, I'm going to mention it again, this is probably like my 5th time. I didn't have my cot, and so I didn't sleep all that great. But just listening to the rain You can you can hear it now. It's just like it's so peaceful and calming out here. So I'm gonna try to make some breakfast. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and checkout is at 11, and hopefully it is not raining by that time. Already gonna have to contend with putting a wet tent away until I get home. And of course a wet chair. What? I wasn't hot. It's not muggy. It just feels really, really good. We actually, I slept under a sheet and my comforter last night. And I had my little fan. Every now and again I would put my fan on or whatever because it was the comforter and I didn't want to take the comforter off. I like it hot, cold, that type of thing. So let me get this breakfast cooked so that we can pack up and head on home. So we're packing up. I took the bulk of the stuff out already. But look at Cooper. So this is what that... Sorry I didn't even film it while I'm just packing all of this stuff up. But this tent is awesome. Like, I can't say anything bad about it. I really can't. It gave great ventilation. No rain got in because, like I said, it rained all night long. And no issues. The bugs are starting to come on because I guess the treatment that I put on because it rained all night is wearing off or has worn off. I ain't taking the bugs home. This is going right into the garage. This is what it looks like peeking in. You can't really see it, but it's a nice tent. Hey, Cooper. Stay. I have more stuff to pick up. All right, let me get going. Yeah. But it's supposed to. French Creek campground. I read my book. It was so good. Great first tent camping experience. I've never done camping outside at all. I went camping as a kid with Girl Scouts, and we were in a cabin. We never roughed it like this, so this is my first time tent camping. And like I said, I was actually a brownie. I don't even remember. I know that I went. Let's go. Dump station. So I'm gonna put it right there. It ain't going in my car. Oh, I look a mess. And I'm late. I'm late. I'm always late. How is it that I'm always late for a virtual game? Like, that's crazy. Hold up. Like, that's crazy. I always like to wipe the inside of my lenses off. I have prescription lenses in my Oculus. And I meet the girls on Wednesdays, and we're supposed to meet on Sundays, but Sundays sometimes was kind of hard for me. So I'm late. I gotta go. Oh, I'm liking how my second part of my camping video is shaping out. I had some mishap. Angela, thank you so much. She called me today because she said she seen my video. I did give her a heads up, but anyway, thank you, Angela, for all your coaching, your helping. You are such an inspiration. You were an inspiration even before we talked in January. You can tell I've been watching, because some stuff is that you have, I have. So you know I've been watching, child. I'm your biggest cheerleader, and thank you so much. And just calling. We still all need human interaction, even if it's through virtual. But I did meet my girls this past Friday, which was my birthday. Enjoy the videos. I understand how I be late. I gotta take Lily.
Hey, Tanya.
Hey, honey, how are you? Oh my God, no, he didn't.